Perry Tunes.
Welcome to Perry Tunes Kids Channel.
Red, red, see red on my apple, round and red. Strawberries and fire trucks too. Red is bright for me and you. Blue, the sky. Blue, blue, the sky is blue. Clouds go floating by. Ocean waves and little fish splashing low and high. Yellow, sunshine. If it's yellow and it's bright as the sun. If it's yellow and it's bright as the sun. Banana stocks and honey, oh they look so sunny. If it's yellow and it's bright as the sun. The leaves are green, grasses too. Frogs and peas, oh what a view. Green is here, green is there. Green is going everywhere. Orange, carrot. Orange, orange, what do I see? Carrots, pumpkins and a bumblebee. Orange is round and juicy too. Orange is such a happy hue. Purple, a grape, purple grapes. Purple plums, purple's fun to say. Eggplants, violets, butterflies. Purple brightens up my day. Pink, pink cotton candy sweet. Soft and fluffy, what a treat. Flamingos stand so tall and bright. It's such a lovely sight. Brown chocolate, chocolate cake and teddy bears. Brown is here and everywhere. Muddy boots and cocoa too. Brown is such a cozy hue. The night, black is the night up in the sky, where the twinkling stars shine high. Black cats, crows and bats so neat. Black can be both dark and sweet. Whoa, did you see the fluffy snow? The fluffy snow, the fluffy snow. Clouds of white